Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit Korean filter using Lightroom Mobile, and this is before and after using this preset on some sample photos. First, go to Light. Exposure to -0.70. Contrast to -59. Highlights to -100. Shadows to 58. Whites to -10. And blacks to 100. Next, go to color. Temperature to 30. Tint to 3. Vibrance to 52. And saturation to -9. Next, go to color mix. For red, hue to -8. And luminance to -52. For orange, hue to 2. Saturation to -6. And luminance to 29. For yellow, hue to 40. Saturation to -30. And luminance to 7. For green, hue to -2. Saturation to 12. And luminance to -34. For blue, saturation to -10. And luminance to 12. And last, go to Effects. Clarity to 25. And done. You can copy these preset settings and paste them on other photos. And you can also adjust it again, according to your wishes. Okay, I hope you like this preset, and see you in the next tutorial.